Have you ever wondered what allows trucks to travel millions of kilometers without breaking down? Today, we'll explore the engineering, maintenance, and smart design that keep these giants of the road moving year after year. At the heart of every truck is its engine. Unlike car engines, truck engines are built to operate under constant heavy load without overheating. Their cylinders, pistons, and valves are made from high-strength alloys designed to resist wear over extreme distances. Inside the engine, pistons move in perfect synchrony, while tens of liters of high-quality oil circulate continuously. This oil reduces friction, cools critical components, and carries away microscopic debris that could otherwise cause damage. Turbochargers and fuel injection systems further improve efficiency and durability. Turbochargers increase power, but truck engines are carefully calibrated to limit maximum RPM to around 1800. This low RPM operation prevents excessive stress and allows the engine to work efficiently under heavy loads. High-pressure fuel injectors deliver precise amounts of diesel, ensuring smooth combustion and minimizing wear on internal components. The transmission and gearbox are equally important. Trucks use heavy-duty gear systems reinforced to handle thousands of torque cycles every day. Specialized lubricants reduce friction and heat, allowing gears to mesh smoothly and transfer power to the wheels with minimal loss. With routine maintenance, the clutch and differential are capable of lasting hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Suspension and braking systems play a major role in longevity. Multi-leaf spring suspensions and shock absorbers absorb road irregularities, reducing stress on the chassis and cargo. Air brake systems, supported by large air reservoirs and pressure regulators, provide consistent stopping power even under extreme loads. Proper maintenance is essential, as worn components or low air pressure can dramatically shorten a truck's lifespan. Maintenance itself is one of the most important factors behind long service life. Regular oil changes involving 40 to 50 liters, filter replacements, brake inspections, and fluid checks keep systems operating at peak efficiency. Mechanics monitor engine wear and system performance, while drivers are trained to drive smoothly, avoiding harsh acceleration, sudden braking, and excessive engine revving. Cooling systems are another critical element. Large radiators, coolant circulation, and powerful fans prevent overheating under heavy loads or extreme temperatures. Since overheating is one of the leading causes of engine failure, maintaining stable operating temperatures is essential for long-term durability. Tires and chassis design also contribute to longevity. Trucks distribute weight across multiple axles, reducing stress on individual tires and components. High-quality tires, proper inflation, and regular rotation prevent uneven wear. The chassis is reinforced in key areas to withstand millions of kilometers of vibration, load stress, and road impact. Every system in a truck works together as a single unit. Oil lubricates the engine and transmission. The suspension absorbs shocks. The brakes ensure safe stopping, and the driver monitors performance and follows maintenance schedules. Modern trucks are also equipped with advanced monitoring systems. Sensors track oil pressure, engine temperature, turbo boost, and brake efficiency in real time, allowing problems to be detected early and repairs planned before serious damage occurs. Even the fuel system is designed for durability. Fuel flows through reinforced lines and high-precision injectors, while filters remove impurities that could harm the engine. Efficient fuel use reduces stress on components and extends service intervals. In the end, trucks reach millions of kilometers thanks to a precise balance of robust engineering, disciplined maintenance, efficient design, and skilled driving. Long-lasting engines, reinforced gearboxes, reliable suspensions, powerful braking systems, and careful driver behavior all contribute to this remarkable endurance. So the next time you see a long-haul truck on the highway, remember what's happening beneath the metal. Every rotation of a gear, every pulse of oil, and every careful decision by the driver helps keep this machine moving day after day, year after year. Trucks are more than just vehicles. They are engineered to endure, proving that with the right combination of technology and care, true longevity is possible. All cylinders operate in unison, pistons and valves moving smoothly under load. Transmission gears rotate in sync with the truck's motion, delivering power to the wheels. Signals run through engine computers, indicators blinking to show real-time processing. Suspension and leaf springs respond to uneven surfaces, wheels moving naturally. Brake pads compress and air pressure is visualized to show braking force. Coolant flows visibly. Fan spins and thermal energy is highlighted through color animation. Gears mesh smoothly. transferring torque efficiently to the drivetrain. Oil circulates through the engine, ensuring all components remain lubricated. Turbo and valves operate dynamically. Airflow visualized in vibrant colors. Suspension adapts to road irregularities, springs compressing and wheels rebounding. Diesel flows through injectors, bubble dynamics illustrating fuel delivery. Rotation of drive shaft and axles synchronizes perfectly with wheel motion. Air pressure changes dynamically as brakes engage. Visualize cylinders fire in unison, pistons and valves moving under realistic load conditions. Transmission gears rotate in sync with wheel motion, demonstrating smooth power transfer. Airflow through the turbo is highlighted dynamically, valves operating precisely. Suspension reacts to bumps, wheels compressing and rebounding realistically. All cylinders move in perfect rhythm, oil flowing through every channel. Gears mesh under load, transmitting torque smoothly to the wheels. Oil circulates dynamically through filters and pan, bubbles sparkling vividly. Air compresses through the turbo, valves moving accurately in color-coded visualization. Diesel fuel flows through the system, bubbles illustrating pressure and motion. Shaft and axles rotate, transferring power efficiently to wheels. Brake pressure fluctuates, pads compressing, shown with dynamic graphics. Pistons and valves move in perfect synchronization under engine load. Coolant circulates visibly, fans spinning, heat distribution highlighted. Suspension and springs react naturally to road irregularities. Turbo spins as valves open and close, airflow visualized dynamically. Transmission gears rotate, torque transmitted efficiently. Oil moves through all filters and pan, sparkling under realistic lighting. Brake pads engage dynamically, air pressure visualized clearly. Coolant flow and fan operation highlighted, heat dynamics clearly visible. Gears rotate synchronously, transferring power efficiently to the wheels. Oil flows through filters, bubbles sparkling dynamically. Air compresses through turbo, valves operating with dynamic color highlights. Suspension adapts to uneven terrain, wheels compressing and rebounding naturally. Diesel flows to injectors, visualized with dynamic bubbles. Shaft and axles rotate in perfect synchronization with the wheels. Air pressure fluctuates dynamically as brakes engage. All cylinders fire in sync, pistons and valves moving smoothly, oil circulating. Air moves through turbo and valves, highlighted dynamically for clarity. Suspension adapts to uneven terrain, wheels compressing and rebounding naturally. Gears rotate in perfect sync with wheel motion, torque transmitted efficiently. Oil circulates through filters and pan, bubbles sparkling in realistic motion. Turbocharger and valves highlighted with colorful airflow animation. Diesel flows to injectors, visualized with dynamic bubbles. Wheels compress and rebound, suspension absorbing shocks accurately. Finally, the truck drives along the highway, all systems, engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, and oil operating together in perfect harmony.